This is surveillance video from across the street. There's the explosion. Now watch how quickly the awning drops. Burst of flames. Lots of smoke. You can see traffic still going by. This is at 5:44:35. You're going to keep watching. How soon before we see ambulances or fire trucks? I mean,
That's
and that was the initial explosion from the only surveillance video that we know of is in existence.
I mean, it was just. I know. Well, she would have had a great sound because time away. Oh, Mingo.
We're starting to see some activity outside the front.
Before the patient walked out the door, MGE walks in and says, "Do you smell gas?" Mingo says, "I don't smell gas." He says, "That's not too bad over here. It's a little bit worse over there."
You see people running
And so.
from all directions coming up on the scene. They're having to watch for traffic.
Okay, just everything's fine.
They told you and Jane.
You're starting to see flames in other areas now.
Mingo's doing his paperwork, and it goes, boom, pictures go flying off the wall.
He's fast forwarding a little bit. We're now at 5:47:49. Look at the flames. You can already see part of the roof has collapsed.
Yeah, it's got a little.
Major fire here.
Yeah, it's got a little.
Major fire here. We're now at 5:50, and look at it, fully engulfed. Fire trucks on the scene. 5:51. This is amazing.
Yeah.